Hi, I'm Chad Conger, research chemist at CND. I'm here today to discuss the original CND Shellac power polish and how it differs from all the gel polishes that have followed. Because CND Shellac is the original and a true innovation, it's important to know the facts about the science and how you can recognize it from all the rest. We believe it's important to protect our salon clients with the best technology available and the safest salon practices possible. So let's begin with an explanation of why the system is so critical to success. Today we'll discuss facts about the lamp, facts about the formula, and facts about the process. Let's begin with facts about the lamp. First, UV light is used for curing all light curable nail products. Second, all UV curable nail products contain UV photoinitiators to kickstart the cure. These photoinitiators utilize light from the UVA section of the light spectrum to cure and harden the product. To understand how this works, let's dig a bit deeper, and we can start by taking a look at the light spectrum. This represents many different types of energy. This energy is observed and used in many different ways, and you will recognize some of these, such as cosmic rays, which represent the highest energy level, X-ray, infrared, heat, and radio waves. But for now, we will focus on the middle of the spectrum, where we will find UV and visible light. Visible light comprises all the colors of the rainbow and everything we can see with our eyes. Right next to that is the UV range. Within the UV range, there are three different types of UV light: UVA, UVB, and UVC. We will concentrate on the UVA section because nail products, and in particular CND light curable products, only utilize the UVA spectrum of light because it's the safest part of the UV range. UV light is delivered in two ways, with either fluorescent bulbs or LED. Let's take a look at each. Fluorescent bulbs are a glass tube filled with gas that produce light. They require a longer cure time and have a limited life, usually around 100 hours or so, but they are replaceable and are very inexpensive. Lamps utilizing fluorescent bulbs usually cost half of or less than a typical LED lamp. LED stands for light emitting diode, which is actually a light emitting microchip. They have a shorter cure time, are very long lasting, but they are not replaceable. Instead of replacing the bulbs when they burn out, the entire lamp will require replacement, and are still quite expensive. Both fluorescent bulbs and LEDs emit UV light and efficiently cure UV light curable nail products. But which is best? Well, the answer is they're both good, and you should choose the one designed for your chosen formula. It's important to follow the system as directed by the manufacturer. I've heard some people say they thought LEDs use visible light and fluorescent bulbs use UV light, but in fact, they both use UV light. Now, let's talk about the formula. The Shellac power polish system has been carefully designed from the bottom up, with three individual formulas designed to work synergistically together for optimum results. The Shellac base coat, when cured under the CND UV lamp, provides a strong base for the shellac application. It also contains quick-release polymers that allow shellac to easily release from the natural nail when exposed to acetone. The shellac color coat is an innovative blend of monomers, polymers, and solvents for power polish performance. As these layers cure, the solvents evaporate, creating tiny tunnels that help facilitate removal. The shellac top coat is a tough polymer coating for indelible shine. It also has tiny tunnels, but fewer of them, so it can protect the rest of the shellac application and maintain that mirror finish. All three layers of the shellac system fit together like a jigsaw puzzle for lockdown adhesion and high shine wear, but can release quickly when exposed to acetone delivered with CND remover wraps. CND built the shellac system from the ground up, but all other polishes have diluted their soft gels for polish-like application but still require filing, soaking, and even forced removal. As a result, mixing another product into the shellac system will break the synergy and interaction of the formulas, disrupting that fit of the puzzle pieces. The result can be anything from poor wear, like chipping, to the entire coating peeling off. One part that is sure to be affected is removal. Remember that other products are gels. Gels do not break down with tiny tunnels. They swell, and that swelling takes a long time. So when removal starts, the top coat may break down, but not the rest. This is why it is important to protect the integrity of the system by using it strictly together as a system. Now, let's talk a little bit about the process. Success with shellac depends on 3 factors: preparation of the natural nail, proper application, and proper removal. Preparation of the natural nail is first and foremost. It starts with a great manicure to remove cuticle and debris from the natural nail plate, followed with a thorough scrubbing with Scrub Fresh. But remember, there's no roughing or filing with shellac. The next key to success is proper application. Be sure to apply each layer very thinly and cure in the CND UV lamp. And check your bulbs to be sure they're on and working perfectly. Check the time on top of the lamp to be sure the life of the bulbs is still good. Follow the exact recommended cure times, which are 10 seconds for base coat and 2 minutes for color and top coat. And finally, follow correct removal guidelines. This means wrap, don't soak. The CND Shellac Remover Wrap holds in the natural warmth of your finger, allowing the acetone to penetrate quickly all the way to the base coat. Massage and pull, don't scrape. After timing for 10 minutes, massage the nail through the cotton pad to loosen the pieces and then pull the wrap from the finger. Most of the coating will remain inside the wrap. Having the facts about the lamp and the shellac formula and understanding the proper application and removal will enable you to bring out the best in CND Shellac. We wish you great success and invite your comments and questions about this video on cnd.com, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you.